In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell resume templates on Etsy. If you're creative and entrepreneurial, this is an attractive way to turn your skills into income. Let's dive right in with the first step, which is researching popular resume styles. Now, this part is all about seeing what's trending. Head over to Etsy and explore the various designs and formats that are hot right now. Take note of the styles that catch your eye, and if you see patterns across multiple listings, this will give you a good sense of what's currently appealing to buyers and help inform your own designs. Once you've gathered your research, it's time to get creative and start designing your templates. The goal here is to create templates that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also user-friendly and editable. You can use design tools like Canva, Adobe InDesign, or even Microsoft Word. These platforms offer a range of tools and resources that make designing your templates more straightforward and enjoyable. Focus on creating layouts that are versatile and can suit different professional backgrounds. The more adaptable your template, the more potential appeal it will have. After your designs are complete, saving them as digital files is crucial. You'll want to export them as PDFs for a polished look and also provide editable files such as Word documents or Canva links so your customers can personalize them effortlessly. Offering editable options often increases the desirability of your products as it gives buyers the freedom to customize their resumes. Next, if you don't already have one, you'll need to set up your Etsy shop, craft an inviting shop profile, and sprinkle in essential keywords like resume template and editable resume to enhance your visibility on the platform. Keywords are a powerful tool in driving traffic to your listings, so use them wisely. With your shop set up, it's time to create your listings. Upload your carefully crafted templates as digital downloads. Make sure your descriptions are clear and concise and include multiple high-quality photos showing different styles and angles. Visuals are a crucial part of convincing potential customers that your product is worth purchasing. Pricing is a vital consideration. Research what others are charging and set your prices competitively, typically between $10 and $30. Consider offering bundles for greater value, which can be an efficient way to encourage higher purchase amounts. Promotion is key to gaining traction and attracting buyers. Use platforms like Pinterest and Instagram to showcase your designs and utilize Etsy ads for targeted reach. Offering discounts or freebies can also be an effective method to draw in new customers and create buzz around your shop. Finally, optimize your shop for conversions. Add a thorough FAQ section, offer customization options to entice buyers, and ensure you're responsive to buyer inquiries. Building a solid rapport with customers can significantly impact sales and foster repeat business. There you have it, your pathway to starting a successful Etsy shop selling resume templates. With creativity, strategic pricing, and effective marketing, you can turn your ideas into a thriving business. Good luck and happy selling.